This massive ash column marked the beginning of a powerful eruption that triggered a devastating tsunami in December 2018. This is the terrifying force hidden within Indonesia's Krakatoa volcano.
The turtle is floating and...
Oh!
The turtle is floating and...
Oh!
Even turtles can have a bad day.
He's entertaining us.
Storm Hans wreaked havoc in Hemsedal, Norway, where a mobile home was washed away into the river.
Oh my God!
It seems like dinosaurs in Florida are still around in some way. Take a look at this impressive predator. It's 4.5 meters long. Murmuration is the astonishing ability of flocks of birds to move in sync. It's a mesmerizing sight. The sunfish stands out with its unusual look and is equally impressive for its size, as some can reach lengths of over 3 meters. A bit of electronic music, composed by nature itself at one of Minnesota's lakes. Notice the vibrant blue color of the ice in this iceberg from one of Iceland's lakes. It's a sign that it's thousands of years old. That's truly shocking. During road construction in Colombia, a terrible landslide occurred, sending chills down your spine. It's yet another reminder of how easily we can disrupt the fragile balance of nature and unleash chaos. Next time you want to complain about the weather, just remember this video.
Да я не думаю. О, сейчас тут, блин. Не дотянется. Заправку тут все засыпало. Олег, тема вообще
Вот это да.
Они взорвали.
Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой-ой-ой-ой.
Прямо в это самое. Вот мы стоим прямо на
Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой, слышь, Михалыч, давай сваливать.
Да уже
Уже поздно.
разговаривал. Все занесло нас. Вообще не видно.
Да.
A mudslide is a fast-moving surge of water, mud and rocks that rushes down mountainsides after heavy rains. Few things can match its destructive power. You can only experience such emotions in Guatemala. Over half of the country is covered by the majestic Cordilleras, home to 33 volcanoes. Get ready for a serious challenge if you're afraid of spiders.
Ya nada más. Vaya. Ay.
Are you still with us? Then you might find it interesting that the video was filmed in Mexico.
Y así son millones y millones y millones de arañas patonas en este árbol nada más.
This phenomenon is known as dirty thunderstorms, which happen when lightning strikes within clouds of volcanic ash. When a wall of snow is rushing towards you, it's hard to stay calm. Fortunately, the avalanche in the Annapurna mountain range wasn't too heavy and posed no threat to the operator. The astonishing power of water. A raging river in India has swept away a solid concrete bridge. The atmosphere around mud volcanoes is always peculiar, especially when the gases released alongside the mud ignite like torches. Dramatic scene showing a sandstorm in China. Dust storms in East Asia are a seasonal weather event that takes place in the spring.
瞬间就这样了，车都在晃，好大的风呀！
During this time, dust and sand from Mongolia's deserts are swept up into dense clouds and can cover vast distances. Once the storm has taken hold, you can hardly see anything.
慢点，慢点，不用慌。哎呀，完全覆盖啊！我们被沙尘暴完全覆盖了，看到没？哎呦，这尖还不一短呢，还有过去这尖都重了。哟，这整个都是沙。
Just like the forecast said, there will be rain in some areas.
Come on, guys. You cannot leave the trees floating like this. It's not okay. You can't just do it. They still have not finished cutting down this tree.
The northern gannet is a large seabird with a wingspan of nearly 2 meters. These birds are excellent divers and often follow fishing boats, catching the fish that slip through the nets. This river has more crocodiles than it has water.
Caralho, será que tem pouco jacaré aí?
The forces of nature don't forgive mistakes. After intense rainfall, the dam was unable to contain the river's pressure, resulting in a rush of muddy water that cascaded down, obliterating homes, trees, and cars in its wake.
Я думал, мне показать. Да. Все, Стинковскую дамбу прорвало. Прям, ух ты, вот это да, блин. Жесть. И она все поднимается и поднимается. Да, Илюхин дом уплыл, блин, по ходу дела.
The strange whirlpools forming on the surface of a river in China are truly a remarkable sight.
بریم اطرافش هم ببینیم. جالبه. از عجایب زاگرس، چشمه داخل درخت.
A unique spring tree in Iran.
خیلی عجیبه. فقط منظره رو برو.
It's too big to get in the picture now.
A dusty storm on the horizon looks quite unsettling, but for Australians, it's just another day. Occasionally, these storms can completely cover whole cities.
Wow. My gosh.
That scene immediately brings to mind mystical ideas.
الله اکبر.
Imagine stepping outside and stumbling upon an oil field right away. Here's a surprising turn. At Mocha Island in Chile, the water ignites when touched by a torch. The reason? Natural gas leaking from fissures on the ocean bed. A spectacular sight of an iceberg being born in Alaska.
Oh my god. That is incredible. Let's get out of here. Look, it's gonna lift up. They paid to go out there to watch it.
These cars are doomed. A sudden landslide has overwhelmed this small alpine town. Unlike many other crocodile species, the mugger crocodile is quite comfortable on land. It can even dig long burrows where it takes shelter during dry seasons. Besides the double rainbow, there's also a rare triple rainbow, but only a handful of people have ever seen one. Strange clouds have been observed on the ground in China, India, and the Arabian Peninsula. Some believe these are sea foam carried by air currents over long distances. What do you think? Have you ever witnessed a tornado forming during a storm? A typical sight during a typhoon, a tropical cyclone, is observed in the South China Sea region. Dukono, a volcano in Indonesia that's been active without a break since 1933. How cool would it be to see the start of its next eruption right before your eyes?
Пошла, родная! Широкая, блин!
Большущая.
О!
Огроменная, ребята, да.
Вот это да! Это нормально.
Третья это вообще просто улет.
Смотри сюда. Сейчас через хребет, через
хребет пошла.
Давай до нашего дома, давай, иди.
Сейчас мой завалит.
Повыбивало.
Сейчас мой завалит, где я живу. Я же как раз там.
Смотри, вот туда чуть-чуть разверни камеру. Вон, да.
Сейчас клубы сюда пойдут.
The breathtaking moment when ice breaks off the Perito Moreno Glacier in Patagonia shows a towering ice wall that stands about 60 meters high. For anyone who gets seasick, just watching this video could make you queasy. A ferry was caught in a tropical cyclone near Taiwan.
Alright, science experiment, take one. Make sure you point it at the water.
That's incredible! This amazing glow is caused by tiny plankton that can produce bioluminescence. To start glowing, they need a stimulus, such as raindrops. Unexpected insect invasions can be a disaster. Even entomologists sometimes struggle to explain the reasons behind such sudden population surges. An incredible meeting of the elements in Iceland. A phenomenal occurrence in a cornfield. Floodwaters bring a lot of debris, which can be a useful resource. An incredible sight from the Georgia Strait in Canada. A sharp boundary can be seen where the fresh waters of the Fraser River meet the salty waters of the Pacific Ocean.
Naughty do minks, ja? Wie kan je dit nou doen, ja?
con lo con đi hả nó có con đi hả xì về xì nữa hả con đi hả